Get ready for your 7-minute fat-burning AMRAP workout. Okay guys, you heard it. We have a 7-minute fat-burning AMRAP workout, which stands for as many reps as possible in 7 minutes. So you have 4 different moves, and you're gonna do each move 10 times, and then you just keep repeating those 4 moves until your beeper goes off after 7 minutes. So you can just do this once for 7 minutes, or you can take a couple minute breather and repeat 2 to 3 more times for a slightly longer workout if you want it. But before we get going, I'm going to show you the 4 moves. That way you can go as fast or slow as you need to. You don't have to stay with me. I'll do the whole 7 minutes with you, but you can go at your own tempo if you need to. The first move is a push-up. So you're coming down to the floor, you're doing a full push-up. So that's the other thing, is we want to try to do full range here. So it is going down, up, and reach. Down, up, and reach. Just keep alternating arms. Each push-up is 1 rep. Yes, you'll do that 5 on each side, so it's 10 reps. You come up and you do a drop squat, which is a drop squat and a double bounce. A drop squat, double bounce. This is 1 rep. Bop, bop. Yep, 10 times. Then you'll do your burpee, which is down, back with a jump jack, out, in, jump it in, and up. Come down, jump it back, out, in, and up. That's move 3. And move 4 is your V-sit, where you come down to the floor, reach arms and legs out, exhale, come up to the sit bones, reach it out, and up. Each one is 1 rep. Are you ready to go? Make sure you pause the video, do a quick warm-up if you haven't already. It is quite fierce. You have 7 minutes, no stopping. Luckily, we will be changing muscle groups a little bit, but those burpees are gonna be killer. All right. In 7 minutes, we have 3, 2, 1, go. Come down, get ready for the push-ups. Again, in your own time. My 10th push-up, coming back in, I'm getting ready for my drop squats. Ready for my burpee. Woo. That's 10, so I've just completed 1 round. I'm now going into round 2. Remember, you can go as fast as you want to. Make sure you keep the technique and keep it in control. Hang in there.
Come on.
Now getting ready for round 3.
This is for the groovers.
Woo! Oh man. You gotta pace yourself, you guys. Ready for my burpee? And I have just under 1 minute to go. Got 7 minutes. Alright, that was just over 7 minutes it took me to complete 3 full rounds of this AMRAP workout. How did you guys do? Let me know how many rounds you got through in the comments box below. Let me know if you got through 2 rounds, 4 rounds, 3.5 rounds, 5 rounds? Let me know how you did in the comments box below. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you hit your notification button so that way you find out when my new videos are out every single Monday, and find me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I will see you next week for another amazing workout. Until then, have a great week. Bye guys.